If you're watching this video, then you've probably heard me talking about presets on my main channel. But if you're not an editing pro, then you may be wondering, what even is a preset? Well, in its simplest terms, a preset is a bunch of saved settings stored in one file. In other words, someone has customized a whole bunch of keyframes and then saved it as one preset that they can use on any other project. For example, let's say that I created a preset for the intro that you're watching on this video right now, where I just popped into screen like that. I've made that effect using the transform tool, and I want to save that so that I can use it in the future. I will right-click that transform effect with all of its keyframes done and then save that as a preset. And now when I head into the effects tab, it's right there at the top, as whatever I've named it. Now I can just drag and drop that preset from the effects tab and use it in any of my future projects. This saves me from having to remake that same effect every time that I want to use it. And it's the same with DaVinci Resolve, except they're made in the Fusion page and accessed in the Edit page. When you buy a pack of presets, like our Essential Pack available on storesar.com, you're buying a whole load of these pre-made configurations, which means that you don't have to spend hours recreating these effects every time you start a new project. And that just allows you to get on with editing your videos and doing the important stuff. All of these presets have been handmade by me over the years and specifically made for that smooth YouTube style of editing. It's worth saying, even though it's obvious, that if you buy a Premiere Pro preset pack, it's not going to be transferable into DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut or anything like that. But rest assured, on my website storesar.com, the Premiere presets and the DaVinci presets will give you the exact same result. Using presets can save you so much time. That's why I use them all the time in my videos. And that's why I'm so confident in selling my product to you now. There's no catch with my presets. They just simply save you time. You don't have to do anything crazy. It's just drag and drop, and that's it. The work is done. You've saved yourself hours of time. So if you want to take your animations to the next level, whether that's with character animations, transitions, or just general effects, then head over to storesar.com and just check out the library of preset packs that we have. I'm pretty sure they're going to save you a lot of time and help you stand out. Anyways, happy editing. I hope this video was useful, and if you've bought our presets in the past, then I just want to say a very warm thank you to you. Take care, I'll see you later. Get the hell out of here.